There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, then born carbon everywhere, nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen, so you can breathe the flowing fire, pretty neon, light the sun, sodium, phosphate, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, then sulfur, chlorine, and argon, potassium, calcium, silicon, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table of the system. Hydrogens and alkali progressively. Each period is seen new others are like or iron of other iron is twins, then cobalt, nickel, conjugate, copper, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, and bromine, philocryptus, lucite, rubidium, strontium, lithium, zirconium, niobium, lead, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, lead, cadmium, and indium. Tin can, xanthan, molybdenum, tellurium, and iodine, xenon, and cesium, and barium is 56, and this is where the table splits. Lanthanum makes up just lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium is next to promethium, then 62 samarium, europium, galodium, ytterbium, holm, erbium, thorium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tesseract, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold to make it gold, mercury to tell when it's well called thallium, and alpha polonium, asteroid, radon, francium, later, radium, then actinides, 89. This is the periodic table. The focus is stable. Hydrogen alkali aggressively. Each period is seen new others are like Victoria, uranium, plutonium, fume, berkelium, californium, lithium, fermium, nobelium, lycium, cesium, silicon, neodymium, flerovium, moscovium, novovorium, Tennessee, and organoxide. And then we're done.